What if the secret to acing your next exam is another app or a bigger cup of coffee? We spend so much time searching for the next life hack, but our brains are more overloaded than ever. You sit down to study, but the constant stream of notifications and background noise leaves you distracted and drained. You read a page and then a notification buzzes. 30 minutes vanish, and you've gotten nowhere. But what if the solution isn't adding more, but taking something away? What if the most powerful productivity tool is completely free? Today, we're exploring how complete silence isn't just empty space. It's an active tool that can help your brain perform at its best, unlocking a level of focus you never thought possible. It might sound like science fiction, but research suggests silence can be incredibly good for your brain. One mind-blowing idea is its link to neurogenesis, the birth of new brain cells. A 2013 animal study exposed mice to music, white noise, and 2 hours of complete silence. The researchers were shocked by the results. The mice exposed to daily silence developed new cells in the hippocampus, the critical region of your brain tied to memory and learning. Silence wasn't just a passive break. It seemed to be an active ingredient for brain development. Ever feel like your brain has 50 tabs open at once? That's cognitive overload. Every sound, even background music, requires processing power. This mental juggling is a huge enemy of productivity. Silence is your superpower here. It dramatically reduces the external load, freeing up enormous cognitive resources for the one task that truly matters. A noisy environment also triggers stress hormones like cortisol, making it hard to concentrate. In contrast, one study found that just 2 minutes of silence was more relaxing than listening to so-called relaxing music. By lowering stress and reducing your brain's workload, silence creates the perfect environment for deep, focused work. So how do you put this into practice? You don't need to move to a monastery. First, master the Pomodoro technique. Work in focused 25-minute sprints of total silence, followed by short breaks. Second, engineer your environment. A tidy desk and a good pair of noise-canceling headphones can be a lifesaver. Most importantly, put your phone in another room. The mere presence of your smartphone can reduce your brain power. Third, schedule your silence. Don't just hope for it. Put it on your calendar. Guard this time fiercely. It can take over 20 minutes to refocus after a single interruption. We've covered a lot, but it all comes down to a simple truth. Silence isn't the absence of something, but the presence of an opportunity. An opportunity for your brain to reset, shed cognitive load, and let your best ideas surface. In a world that's constantly screaming for your attention, choosing silence is a revolutionary act. Here's your challenge. This week, schedule just 1 hour of uninterrupted silence. Turn everything off, find a quiet place, and see what happens. What are your own experiences with silence and focus? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this valuable, subscribe for more science-backed strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the quiet.